Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a recreation of a corpse bride look that was done by Elisa Aurora. She's so talented, like does really cool like illusion stuff with like heavy black, which... So I'm wearing like a strapless top because I'm going to have to do like some neck details. Haven't really figured out how many. I guess I'll draw it out. Okay, so I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Flash palette. I'm going to use a bit of the brown shade. I lied. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to do my foundation and shit first. My skin's okay, but I'm going to use a primer today. That's just the Benefit Professional. I'm going to take my Colourpop concealer. I'm going to use my Maybelline powder and try to set my eyes before they crease, which is impossible.
Still a piece of garbage.
Now that I'm bald, I think I'm going to draw in my contour before I start doing my brows. So now I'm using the Makeup Forever Flash palette. Like 20 minutes later, I'm done with the cream part of this. I'm gonna do the rest of my contour with some different like eyeshadow shades and that sort of thing. Just give it some more dimension. This is taking a really long time, so I'm going to smoke another bowl and keep going. Alright, so now I'm going to try to like carve out my eye like on the bottom, so I'm going to tight line with white. Go back to my Makeup Forever Flash palette. Now that I look successfully insane, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and smudge it out. I'm gonna use my Colourpop brow gel on my eyebrows. fuck, that was so scary. Okay, well, so now I'm gonna do eyeliner, because what else am I doing? We're gonna get through this. We're getting there, guys. I promise you. Okay, so I'm gonna deepen my brow and then I'm gonna put on my lashes. Okay, and then for my lashes, I'm gonna use my Midas Cosmetics Extra AF because they're huge and that's what I need right now. And I'm gonna mascara also. Finally, I'm going to add my lip color, and I'm going to use Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Diva, which is like a hot pink. I'm really happy with it though, like even though it took like a really fucking long time. And that was just my Colourpop highlighter, of course, in Boy Next Door, because it looks so damn good on me. Oh, alrighty then. And this is the final. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my little corpse bride recreation. I hope you guys watch my next video, whatever that may be, and see you guys then. Bye.